A stagnant website can lead to a metric ton of problems. We've put together the following checklist divided into weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual tasks to help keep things manageable. Each week, just run through the following quick tasks. It really won't take that long if you make them a habit. Test all of your pages for errors, check for broken links, missing images, and error messages. Update all your software, plugins, and themes to keep your site secure and running smoothly. Back up your website data. It's your safety net in case of glitches or cyber attacks, and any quality hosting should have an automatic backup system in place. Just verify it's working. Check for 404 errors and broken links using tools like Google Search Console. And remove spam from comments to keep your site looking professional. Test all forms to make sure submissions like contact or lead capture forms are coming through. And for e-commerce sites, this also means placing real test orders to confirm everything is working as it should. Then, once a month, handle the following tasks to optimize your site's performance. Analyze your site's stats to see what's working and where it can improve. Run page speed tests with tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Conduct a website audit using tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Screaming Frog to catch technical or SEO issues, and perform a security scan with tools like Securi or WordFence to identify vulnerabilities. Every quarter, dive into the following tasks to keep your site fresh and aligned. Update or delete underperforming content to keep your site relevant. Refresh design elements like banners to ensure your site looks modern and consistent with your brand. And review your site's alignment with your business goals. Adjust messaging, calls to actions, or pages if need be. Check user access and remove outdated admin accounts for security. And monitor your site's core web vitals like page speed and user interactions to stay ahead in SEO. Once a year, we suggest taking a big picture approach. Perform a full legal compliance review to ensure your privacy policies, cookie banners, and terms of service are all up to date. Evaluate your site's performance and usability. If it's outdated or hard to use, it might be time for a redesign. Align your website strategy with your long-term business goals. Consider whether a full overhaul could better serve your audience and growth plans. Website maintenance doesn't have to be overwhelming. Breaking it into manageable tasks ensures your site stays secure, optimized, and ready to help your business grow. Happy maintaining.